Okay, today we're going to learn how to insert a photo gallery or image gallery in WordPress. And this is instead of, in lieu of putting individual pictures in and hoping that it comes out looking neat and clean, which it doesn't. So let's create a new post. And, normally you just click here and you add a picture. You click one of these pictures and you insert it. But instead, we're going to create a gallery. Now we see the same pictures. We see that this one's already been selected. And we're going to select 3, 4, 5, 6 pictures, let's say. And we're just going to say create a new gallery. Now this is pretty much what it's going to look like. So you can move them down if you like, change the order. You could delete one and add another by adding here. But then you look at the parameters and you would like each picture to link to, generally I either use none, you just want to display the picture, or you could say media file, which will, upon click, will show the blow up of the picture. Let's arrange this in 3 columns, so you'll see 2 rows, 3 columns, which is the 6 pictures. And let's go for thumbnail size. So we'll insert the gallery. This gives you an idea of what it looks like. Some of them actually have captions. So let's eliminate the captions for now and update the gallery. It's kind of what it looks like. And we're just going to take a preview of that. See, it's pretty much what it looks like. So you get a grid. And the best part is, if you look at the code, it's really very simple. It's just gallery, and then it's the ID numbers of these 6 pictures listed. That's a lot better than having huge amounts of code by inserting pictures one at a time. Now, I'm not sure I like the way this looks, so let's edit it. And let's switch it to medium-sized images. And then you can see that the look has changed, so when we preview it, we will see it looks like this. Now you will notice that some of the pictures are larger than others, so it doesn't automatically crop. So we will edit a photo in our next tutorial.